Introducing the odometer blocker for the Jaguar F Pace. The device is made in Germany using the latest technology. It is very easy to install. You just need to remove the speedometer board and connect the device as you can see in the video. After that, you need to activate the blocker. Activation can be done either by pressing the res button for 5 seconds or with an application that you can install on your smartphone from the app market. After activation, it's time for a test drive. Look at the odometer. It doesn't count mileage. Ride without limits. Superkilometerfilter.com